Monkey, no need 20 moves to win. Monkey, use banana bait. Make greedy human fall in trap. Monkey, show how to destroy king with one wrong bite. Called the banana trap. White open center with pawn to a 4. Monkey not afraid. Monkey see this every day. Monkey mirror. Respect banana center. White develop knight to F3. Attack banana pawn. Clever monkey. But monkey smarter. Monkey defend. Solid jungle wall. Here come Ruy Lopez. White try pin monkey's knight. Monkey not care. Monkey has secret trap under vines. Monkey develop knight to F6. Monkey say, welcome to banana zone white castle. Look safe? Ha. White walk straight into banana field. Here it start. Monkey move knight to G4. Why? To look dumb. Monkey act like knight just hanging. But really, it's a trap bait. Monkey dare human to take knight. And here it is. Human try chase monkey away. Push pawn to H3. Monkey act scared. But inside, monkey smiling, monkey strike. Push pawn to H5. Monkey say, come on, take knight. Open up jungle gate. See what happen. This pawn support is trap trigger. Human touch knight. Monkey jump. If human take knight, monkey say, thank you for banana snack. Monkey recapture with pawn to G4. Now rook is open, ready to fly down H-file like angry gorilla. King is exposed. White try defend. Move knight to H2, thinking, ha, block rook. But monkey see future. Monkey angry now. Monkey queen swing to H4. Big threat coming. Next move checkmate. Checkmate. Monkey roar, echo through jungle. White king fall like weak coconut. But what if human go knight to E1? Monkey squint. This not terrible move. Human try block queen and protect G2. But monkey, no panic. Monkey, no rush. Monkey still very dangerous. Monkey swing queen to H4. Even if not checkmate, threat still real. White knight stuck guarding. Pressure builds like jungle volcano. Human try push F3. Monkey see weakness. Monkey push G3. Now pawn becomes spiky coconut missile. Soon explode on king position. Rook still lurking on H8. Human is lost. What opponent play does not matter. Queen to H2. Checkmate. Monkey reminder, if white chase knight with H3 and take, bad things happen. Monkey bait was never free. Queen plus rook equals spicy, H-file doom. Monkey say, don't just defend, set traps. The banana trap work at low and medium levels. Monkey won many banana coins like this. Now go use this trap. Leave your prey confused and your rook smiling. Like video? Monkey happy. Subscribe or monkey come push your king over